In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display recent posts in WordPress. Keeping your website updated with fresh content is essential for engaging your visitors and improving your site's performance. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to seamlessly add a dynamic block to your WordPress site that automatically showcases your latest posts, ensuring your audience always sees your newest updates. Whether you're a blogger, business owner, or content creator, this feature will help you keep your site looking professional and relevant. So let's get started. First, we need to log into WordPress. To do this, head over to the WordPress homepage by opening your browser and navigating to www.wordpress.com. This is the platform where you'll manage your website and customize its layout. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. This will take you to the Login page where you can access your WordPress account. Now, depending on how your account is set up, you'll have a few different sign-in options. If your WordPress account is linked to your Google account, you can simply select the Continue with Google option to make this process quick and efficient. Alternatively, if your account isn't linked to Google, no problem, just use your WordPress username and password instead. Once you've entered your credentials or selected the appropriate Google account, you'll be logged into your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to accessing the site editor. On your dashboard, look to the right-hand side for the Quick Links section. This is a handy menu that gives you shortcuts to important areas of your site. From here, click on the Edit Site option. This will take you directly to the site editor where you can make changes to your website's layout and add new elements. Next up, we're going to add the latest post block to your page. This block is a fantastic feature because it automatically displays your most recent posts, keeping your visitors informed and engaged with your latest content. To start, look at the top left corner of the site editor page and locate the Add button. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the Block Options menu. In the Block Options menu, you'll notice there's a search bar. Type Latest Posts into the search field. This will filter the options and make it easier to find exactly what we're looking for. Once the Latest Posts block appears in the suggestions, click on it to add it to your page. Now that the block is on your page, you can position it wherever you'd like. Drag and drop it to the section of your site where it fits best, whether that's your homepage, a sidebar, or any other section that makes sense for your layout. Once you're happy with its placement, don't forget to save your changes. This ensures that the latest post block is visible to your site visitors and fully integrated into your page design. And that's it. You've successfully logged into WordPress, accessed the site editor, and added a latest posts block to your website. This dynamic feature will automatically update as you publish new content, saving you time and keeping your site fresh for your audience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.